सो हाय। आज हम लोग देखने जा रहे हैं हाउ टू जनरेट एंड सेंड सर्टिफिकेट टू द पार्टिसिपेंट यूजिंग गूगल रिस्पॉन्स शीट। Myself Ankit Kumar Dove. I am working as assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science and Application, St. Aloysius College, Jabalpur. So सबसे पहले like first we have to see how to create a form. We have already discussed like how to create that Google form. Like I have created this Google form. I have named it demo certificate. I have mentioned the email address, name, and the institutions because the problem is when we are conducting the seminar or the webinar, like we are doing online webinar as seminar, many of our institutions are doing. So the main problem is how to send the certificate because we have number of participants and we have to print and send them physically. It is very difficult nowadays. So we have to send them soft copies of the certificate. So one way is to print it, write their name and the institution, make on the scan it and send it. But it will take, I think if you have some 300 400 participants, it will take a month. Or if you have more than participant, you can count how many days you can take for this. The basic thing is how to send the certificate automatically to the participant, those who have registered for our conference or the seminar. So basic thing is that I have already discussed how to create the Google form. If you have not seen my previous videos, please see it. I have already made one video for how to make a Google forms. And after making this form, see we three things we need. First is the email address, second is the name, and third is the institute. Because the participant type their name here, their affiliation means their institute, and the email which we want, which on which they want their certificate. Okay. So the next thing is uh, after filling this certificate, the Google form, one response sheet generated. Like this is my response sheet and I have checked it. It's just for a demo. So this is our response sheet. What we have to do is you can see here the like address and the email address, name, and the institution. Everything is here. What we have to do is you have to click here, add-on, and you have to go and install AutoCAD. Okay, it's a tool, it's a free tool provided by the Google. You have to install it. That I have already installed it, so it is coming here installed. Okay, you have to click it, it will automatically install. It will take hardly 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, so this was the step one. After installing it, what you have to do, you have to go and open the AutoCAD. Now when you open the AutoCAD, if you have previous previous job you have created, it will come automatically in the AutoCAD. But if you want to create a new job, one tab will come with a new job. Okay, so you have to click on it. Like here is one thing is coming like new job. I am going to click it, new job. Now you have to give name of your job, like what you want to do, or if you want to remember what kind of job you have created. So you have to give some name. So I am writing here dem. Okay, next. The next thing is you have to choose the template. Template means the certificate. I'm talking about a certificate which you are going to send to the participant. So what you have to do, you have to create one PowerPoint or one certificate. Okay, save it on your drive, on the drive, right? And you can take it from there. Like in my drive, I have already created this these two certificates like testing C. Okay, I'll show you how to create this kind of certificate. So what you have to do is go to your drive, click on new, you will find Google Slides, click on blank presentation. In this, now you will get some templates here, the predefined templates. You can choose from any of them, or you can make your own PPT here. Okay, you can choose any one of them. If you want, you can choose any one of them. There are so many templates are available, like, okay, I'm choosing this template. Okay, I'm just typing here, thank you for participating. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to type some tag, like you want name of your participant and you want the name of the institute. For the institute I am just using INST. Okay, if you want you can type full in the institute, right? So these are our tags. Okay, now this is done. I'm giving the one name, dem c. Okay, now close it. Done. The certificate part is done. Now we are going to think, like, I have to go back because it will refresh and automatically collect the information what we have created now. So yeah, sometimes it take time because it depends on your system speed or the internet speed. Just taking too much time. I'm going to close it. Okay, I'm again starting the AutoCAD. Okay, new job, demo, next. Now I'm going to choose my certificate or my template. Okay, demo C that I have created. Now Google Drive is fetching the information. Okay, now it is here. Next, now if you can see that unmapped tags are here, name or INST, which you have typed there where in your certificate. Now you have to match these with your response sheet columns. If you want name in the place of name and you want institute name in place of INST, right? Next. Okay, now you have to create file name. Okay, like you want to send as a PDF certificate as a PDF. There are two output modes. One is multiple and second is single output mode. If you want, participant will get individual certificate of her name, please choose multiple output mode. Or if you want to create a single output mode in which all the participant certificate will be in only one file, so you can select single output mode. Okay, now I have selected here the multiple output mode. So now I'm going to give each and every certificate a name which is the participant name. Okay, now I'm just clicking here on the tag and just copied it, name, certificate. Okay, now next I have to select one folder. If I want to select the location for my all the certificates, so I have selected this test. Next, next. Okay, now I want to share with as PDF. Okay, to whom? To the participant, and I want they will get it on their emails. So this is the email address, subject certificate, and you can type here any message. If you want to type any greeting message, you can type it here. Okay, next. Now, these two important thing, run on from Tagger and run on time Tagger. Run on from Tagger means if you click yes, that means when they fill the form and when they submit the button, after submitting that, when they click on submit button, just after submitting within a 5 minutes they will get the certificate. Okay. Or if you run with the time trigger, so there will be options like R, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, means after submitting you can choose at what time they will get the certificate, right? And now I'm going to save it. Save. Okay, now my job is here. So just fill the form and check it. You will automatically get the response in your email, and that is all about the how to send the certificate to the participant. Thank you.